Hi, this is Sumit and I welcome you all to Bangalore Real Estate. Today we are going to discuss about a new launch from a A category builder, the Satwa Group, in the east part of Bangalore, and the project is called Satwa Songbird. We will discuss about the project, we will discuss about the builder profile, we will also discuss about the location in detail, and we will also discuss about the pros and cons of this project and this location. So let's jump right into it. Now let's coming to the builder profile. The Satwa Group, which is also known as the Salarpuria Group, is a well-known, a well-reputed builder in South India, and they have established a great reputation in Bangalore. They have been one of the oldest player in the real estate market in Bangalore, and they have delivered numerous residential and commercial projects which have been successful from the very beginning. They have been key players in shaping the real estate market of Bangalore and South India. They have established benchmark of real estate quality and commitment. Now let's come to the project itself. The project is named Satwa Songbird, and this project is located on Budigiri Cross, right on Old Madras Road. Now the project spans across 16 acre. It's a township of 16 acre, and this comes with all kinds of configuration like studio, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK. This project also offers row houses. So this is going to be a township kind of a project with all kinds of dimensions. This project is located right on Budigiri Cross off Old Madras Road. And if you might wonder why this location makes a lot of sense now in today's real estate scenario. So this particular location, Budigiri Cross, falls right between Whitefield and North Bangalore, or you might say the airport area. If you might know Bangalore a little bit, then Whitefield, what it is today, is because of ITPL. When ITPL came up, the development of East Bangalore started, and Whitefield became what it is today just because of ITPL. Now, if I give you the current news, there is something similar to ITPL coming up in the northern side of Bangalore, which is called the Aerospace Park. Now, this Aerospace Park will facilitate the development of North Bangalore in a similar fashion ITPL did for Whitefield. This particular location, Budigiri Cross, falls right between north side of Bangalore and the east side of Bangalore. This Budigiri Cross is kind of a junction which connects both sides of Bangalore. Now, the Whitefield is already developed. Whitefield is already an established market, and Aerospace Park is coming up in the North Bangalore. Similarly, north of Bangalore will see a lot of future developments because a lot of companies will be coming up in this park, and a lot of residential and a lot of commercial development will happen. Now, if you are sitting in Satwa Songbird, you have best of both worlds, best of East Bangalore, best of Whitefield and best of North Bangalore. So this is the reason Budigiri Cross makes a lot of sense. And evidently, we are seeing a lot of development in Budigiri Cross, a lot of new projects coming up in Budigiri Cross. You might be knowing that recently Godrej came up with Godrej Woodscape, which has been a stellar success. And there are multiple projects lined up from various builders like Ruchira and Brigade that are going to come up right in this vicinity. So there is a reason that this particular location is witnessing such a speed, growth and development. So if you want to ride this wave of future development, investing in this location would be a great decision. Now this property is located right on Budigiri Road, just off Old Madras Road. And this particular road has been revamped very recently. This particular road is 100 feet wide. So this property is located right on the main road, which is 100 feet wide. Now, if you see, ITPL is 29 minutes drive from this property, and Aerospace Park is also 29 minutes drive from this property. So this property is physically right in between these two major clusters. Coming up to the kind of units that are available in this property right now, it's a 16 acre project. And as I said, it comes with studio, 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK configurations. We have larger sizes of 3 BHK also available here. Those are almost like 1900 square feet. And we have the smallest one is the studio one, which is 450 square feet or change. This project will offer you 4 clubhouses, one major clubhouse, one state-of-the-art clubhouse, and 3 smaller clubhouses. The reason they have provided 4 clubhouses is because this is a huge project spanning across 16 acres, and you can have easy access to your own clubhouse. Now, if you would ask me why this property is a great choice for investment and future home buyers, let's discuss this point. Now, this property is situated in Budigire Cross, and the nearest metro station right now is the Whitefield Kadugodi metro station. And the same metro line is going to come up till Budigire Cross on Old Madras Road, which is going to be 1.5 kilometers from this project. So by the time this project is handed over to you, you can expect a metro station just 1 kilometer from your property. This is one reason that this property is going to see a lot of appreciation in the future. Second, this property falls right between East Bangalore and North Bangalore. And when I say North Bangalore, my point of focus is Aerospace Park, because Aerospace Park will facilitate the development of North Bangalore in the coming years. As and when we see development happening in north part of Bangalore, the demand for a great project will keep increasing in this part of Bangalore. And this is the reason number 2 that you can expect a lot of appreciation if you invest in this property. I'm not just talking about this property. This particular area, this particular micro market, Budigire Cross, is going to see a lot of demand in coming future, because a lot of corporates and a lot of multinational companies will be coming up in the Aerospace Park, and we will see thousands of employees, thousands of people coming in the Aerospace Park to work, and they'll be looking for future homes to buy, to live, future communities, good communities. And this is one community that is going to be in huge demand because of the location, because it falls right on the main road, and because it is closer to Whitefield as well. These are the 2 major reasons that you will see a lot of appreciation happening in coming years. And we are expecting at least 30 to 40% appreciation in next 2.5 years. Now let's discuss about the pros and cons of investing in this particular property. One good point is that this particular area is seeing a rapid development. So now if you invest here, you are going to get the benefit of future development. Now I would also like to tell you about one challenge about investing in this property. Now one challenge that I see for buyers in this property is that this property is a new launch property. This property was just recently launched, and the construction has just begun. So you have to wait for at least 3.5 years to get the possession of this project. Apart from this, I don't see any drawback, any challenges in this particular project. And if you are going to wait for 3.5 years, then you are going to get the benefit of that patience. So we really feel glad when we recommend really good projects to our customers, and our guidance helps them in finding their future home. And we also really believe in helping the customers find a really good project for themselves, because their children, their future is going to be spent in that particular project. We are really proud to recommend this project to you, because we really believe that this project is one such project wherein it will foster a great community, and it will foster a great environment for you and your family to live in. So if you have any queries, or if you want to have a chat regarding any project in Bangalore, or if you want to know more about this property, and if you want to visit and take a look, then please get in touch with us, and would be really happy to discuss with you. Thank you.